In this video, I tell you how to create this transparent text effect in Canva. Go to the text and add a heading. Change the font style into Anton. Adjust its size. Place this text where you want. Change its color into white. Go to the effects and choose Lift Shadow and increase its intensity. Duplicate it. Now download it. Delete this text. Go to Uploads and upload the downloaded image. Choose the image for background. Go to the apps and search for Blend Image app. Select this image and use it as a top layer. Now select this background image or use it as bottom layer. This is the final look.